Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this lesson, you will be learning numbers from 0 to 20. In this lesson, you will be pronouncing number into Sal. Once again, Sal. You will be pronouncing numbers into Zahlen. Once again, Zahlen. So, are you ready? Here we go. Remember, you have to first listen and repeat after me. 0, null. Once again, null. The next one is eins, eins, zwei, zwei, drei, drei, vier, vier, fünf, fünf, sechs, sechs, sieben, sieben, acht, acht, neun, neun, zehn, zehn, 11, 11, 12, 12. Now kindly note it down one thing that from numbers 13 to 90 you have to follow the simple rule. For example, let's take the number 13. In this case, you will be combine number plus 10. 3 plus 10, so it will be 13. Once again, 13. Similarly, the next one will be 14. 14. Now, can you guess the next one? 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. And last but not the least, 20, which you will pronounce it like this. 20. 20. Hope you liked my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the bell icon. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.